Do you feel tired too quickly during workouts or daily activities? Do you struggle to stay strong, balanced, and energized throughout the day? In this video, I'll share natural and proven ways to improve your stability and stamina. No supplements, no shortcuts, just real results. First, let's talk about stability. Stability starts from your core muscles. Exercises like planks, bird dogs, and single leg balances train your body to stay controlled and strong. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can improve posture, balance, and movement efficiency. Next is strength training. Bodyweight exercises such as squats, push-ups, lunges, and glute bridges build muscle endurance. Strong muscles use less energy, which means you can perform longer without feeling exhausted. Now let's focus on stamina. The best natural way to increase stamina is consistent cardio. Activities like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or skipping rope improve heart and lung capacity. Start slow and gradually increase your time and intensity. Breathing is another powerful tool many people ignore. Practice deep nasal breathing during workouts and daily life. Controlled breathing improves oxygen delivery, reduces fatigue, and increases endurance naturally. Your diet also plays a huge role. Eat whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Drink enough water throughout the day to prevent energy crashes and muscle fatigue. Recovery is just as important as training. Make sure you get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, stretch regularly, and allow your body time to heal and grow stronger. Finally, stay consistent. Small daily habits create big long-term results. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and trust the process. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share. Train naturally, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.